Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and it is the first Monday of December. Yes, happy December to you all. Are you excited? Are you excited to end this 2020 year? Are you excited? Well, I am so excited to end this year and to end this year well. We have just a few more days in this year, the 7th of December. So we basically have 31 days. So we basically have what? My calculations, we have 24 more days in this year 2020. Let us make it count. Let us make it count big, guys. Let it count big. 24 more days. So that is 3 weeks and 3 days. This is a very historic year, guys. And I would challenge you to make this year count big. It's already historic with COVID and all of that. And so much has happened. But let us make it big. So yes, we are about to finish 2020. And with Monday Meds, we are about to finish Monday Meds on a high note. Definitely, I know many of you have been enjoying the Country Living series. You've been enjoying learning to build your immune system and fight COVID and all of that. And one of the things, as I thought about wrapping up this year, I definitely want to touch on mental health and COVID. I will do that next Monday, but I want to talk about mental health and COVID because it is very important. As you know, every year we talk about mental health. Every year since we started in 2018, we've been talking about mental health. We've been talking about it last year, 2019, and 2020 we are going to be talking about mental health. So yes, join me next week as we'll talk about mental health and COVID. Can you tell what these are? Do you know? Also for December, we will be talking and sharing, like I told you last week, we will be talking more about, and we will be launching the Did You Know series. So concurrently with our weekly Monday video, we will be launching the Did You Know series. Yes, we're going to be launching the Did You Know series because it is so important for us to know the foods that are around us and how they are grown. We eat them and they don't even know how they are grown. So we're going to be launching that this week. So stay tuned. Yes, and if you have not clicked that bell, that notification bell, you subscribe, but if you have not clicked that notification bell, definitely click it so you can get updates on new videos and don't miss a video. So definitely click that notification bell and you'll be updated on when we post the new videos. Keep watching. Do you know what this is? Keep watching as we will tell you more on sorrel and its uses. We are going to be talking more about the foods that we eat around this festive time in Jamaica. Yes, we do eat a lot of festive foods, and one of those foods that we do eat or look after this time of year is the sorrel. Yes, the sorrel drink. Very, very historic in Jamaica. So this week we're talking about sorrel and how it looks, how to identify the plant, and yes, how to use it. So today we'll do part 1, showing you the fruit, showing you the tree, and then we will talk more on the uses in part 2 this week. So sorrel is a hallmark of Christmas here in Jamaica, and many people would plant sorrel like in the summertime and prepare it for this time of the year in December. So yes, sorrel is known to have been introduced to Jamaica by the British in the 17th. How do you identify the sorrel? It does bloom a pinkish flower. Yes, it does bloom a pinkish flower, and from that bloom, it does turn to red. And yes, it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting how we use sorrel. And many people don't know that sorrel is good for high blood pressure. It's anti-carcinogenic, so it has good uses for people who have cancer or fighting cancer. And yes, there are many benefits that we will talk more on later on this week in part 2, when we talk about sorrel and its uses and benefits. This is sorrel, or what many people or Hispanic people call hibiscus. Yes, this is the sorrel plant. Yes, and they are almost ready for reaping, especially this one here. They're like, this one is ready to reap almost. Yeah, some people prefer when they're dry, or you can even use it when it's ripe. So yeah, that's the sorrel or the hibiscus, and it's the first I'm actually seeing it bloom like this. So yeah, we usually plant them in Jamaica around this time September, October, to reap it by December. So yeah, it's great to see sorrel, and it's very healthy. It's great. As you notice, it's red, so it's very good for your blood. Sorrel has many names, and one of the scientific names, hibiscus sabdarifa. The name for sorrel is Jamaican sorrel. There's also the Guinea sorrel, there's red sorrel, and there's roselle. Yes, and the parts that can be used are the leaves and the seeds, and there is also something called the calyces, and which is those red petals. Yes, so yes, those are the parts that we use mostly here in Jamaica. So yes, some of the properties: it's anti-carcinogenic, it's anti-inflammatory, it has antioxidant. It's an antioxidant. It is also can be used as an emollient, and can also use as a tonic. And these are just to name a few. And it can also be used as a diuretic. Just to name a few. So sorrel is very good for the body. Many of us Jamaicans, we just think of it as a drink, but yes, you can use it as you can also make a tea out of it. They do have it in the tea bag form. For those of you who may not be in Jamaica and not have access to the fresh sorrel, there's also dried. They also dry the sorrel petals. They do dry those and make, so you can actually infuse those in water to make a drink. So yes, this is the sorrel. There's a sorrel plant, and yes, it's actually a younger plant. Yeah, it hasn't started blossoming yet. So this is how it looks in the initial stage before it actually blossoms. You can also eat the leaves of the sorrel in your salads. Yes, how many of you knew that you could eat the leaves of the sorrel to make salad in your salad? Also, you could use the seeds. The seeds can be used in so many different ways. So sorrel has a lot of vitamins and minerals, namely vitamins A, vitamins A, C. It also has niacin. It has thiamine, iron, phosphorus, and also calcium. So yes, my Jamaican family, definitely drink more sorrel. And I know there are many people many Hispanics, many people in Mexico and Guatemala and other Hispanic countries or Spanish countries do drink sorrel. Yes, I've had sorrel from as an Hispanic person before, and it was so good. So yes, let's have more sorrel as we talk more on your Monday Meds. So yes, this is the sorrel. This is the frozen sorrel, and this is a great way to preserve your sorrel if you're not ready to use the fresh sorrel. Just wash it. Definitely wash it. You could wash it with some salt water, and then just bag it up and freeze it. And yeah, it's a great way to preserve it, especially if you're not ready to use it. And check this out. Look how just the sorrel melting away there. You see how it stains it red? So yes, you can see that it's great. It's great for your blood. Very good for your blood. Sorrel, as you see that it is red, it makes a red drink. It is great for your blood. It is great for your blood. And like when the children of Israel were leaving, when they were leaving Egypt, God said to them in Exodus 12 verse 30, when I see the blood, when I see the blood, when I see the sorrel, when I see the blood over your lintel, your doorpost, I will pass over you. May sorrel be that to you and more as you drink more sorrel this season, and not just this season, but as much as you can get a hold of sorrel. I pray that you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.